Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are continuing with the Git, you can say, but so most of the commands in the last lecture I have covered it, but today I wanted to show you that you can do it via VS Code itself. You need not launch the Gitbash, you can completely do it with VS Code. Okay, so this is the repo which I had for the videos. So you can see I'm in the main branch now, and in test.py this is the code. Okay, and if I go here and in the second branch test, if I go here and if I see here, you will see that I have these changes. Okay, so remember these changes, also you need not remember it. Okay, and here you can see I am in test branch. Okay, so this is the VS Code itself. I have not launched any terminal. You can see here I will directly commit the changes to my repo, but first thing you need to make sure that you have to connect to Git here. Okay, from here. Okay, so this symbol you should have, and you will see that I have an uncommitted change here. It is saying, which I have not committed, and I don't want to commit it. Okay, so for now I will show you like how you can commit it. So first of all, if I click on here, you will see this type of window. Now I will switch to main branch. So you will see the branches also here. So this is the test branch which I'm in current, and the main branch, if I click on this, I will be switched to that branch. Okay, so now I am in the main branch. Okay, so as you can see, these changes are same as in my case. So this is the change in the main branch. So I will type another change. Okay, so let's type one more comment, checking git commit via VS Code. Okay, and then I will save it. Okay, and now you will see test1.py is also changed. So if I want to push this change, what I need to do is, first of all, I need to stage this change here, and once this change is staged, I need to write one message like via VS Code. Okay, I will write commit via VS Code. Okay, and then what I will do, I will click on this more actions arrow, and I will do commit and push. Okay, so you will see that it is pushing to my main branch, and let it complete. Okay, and it's done. And if I go to my branch here and if I refresh this, you will see checking git commit via VS Code. I got the change. Okay, now also you can do quite a few operations, like I can switch to my test branch. Okay, and there are some conflicts here. Okay, there will be conflicts, but if you go to these more actions tab, you will see options like pull, push, clone, checkout, to fetch, commit, changes, pull, push. Okay, so I can go here pull. Okay, and I can pull from you can see the main branch is also there, so I can directly pull from main. So you will see some changes, but I think there will be conflicts. Yeah, so you will see this kind of tab. So accept current change, accept incoming change, accept both the changes, compare changes, the options are there. Okay, so I will try to make one more video like what are these things: accept current change, accept incoming change, accept both changes, and compare changes. But for now, like I will do accept both the changes. Okay, and then resolve in merge editor and complete merge. Okay, so once this is done, I need to push this to my test repo also, because if I come here and if I refresh it, you will see nothing here. Okay, so for that, since there were conflicts, I will do commit and push, since the message is like the branch name itself. So it's done, and if I refresh this, you will see that the same message is there, checking git commit via VS Code. Okay, which was there in the main branch. So what I did here is I pulled the changes from main branch into the test branch. Okay, and also I can push from test branch to main branch, or vice versa you can do. So I showed you how you can pull the changes, how you can commit the changes. Okay, and yeah, that's the basic thing. Also, if you hit on Control Shift and P, you will see this window, and you can see if you type just git and colon, you will see many options like git delete branch, create branch, add remote, add to git ignore, apply lead stash, apply stash, checkout to, check query, clone, etc. Okay, so basically all the operations can be done directly through VS Code itself. You need not launch the what you can say, Gitbash separately. You can do it directly from VS Code itself, or else you can also use this terminal as a Gitbash itself, like a command line interface. Okay, so you can also try that and explore the things. Okay, so this was pretty much a simple playlist on basics of Git or GitHub, you can say, and hope you learned something from this video. If you come up with some easier tricks and tips, you can just comment it out, and if you want some of the video on a specific topic, you can also comment that part. I will try to make one video. Okay, so hope you learned something from this playlist. Do watch this playlist, do check out this playlist, a simple playlist which covers almost basics of every GitHub commands. Okay, so yeah, that's all about it, guys. Hope you learned something from this video, and if you do hit the subscribe button, and till then, take care, bye bye.